This is the ancient Greek set to moisturize, cleanse, and soothe your skin. And you get all these pieces. You get a foot cream, a daily cream, as well as oil, as well as soap too. How cool is this? And this would make a great gift to give for both men and women too. And it has a nice lavender relaxing scent. This is also made of 100% natural ingredients too. And anybody that receives this would just absolutely love it. They also give you a free pumice stone as well. You're going to get a 2-pack of this natural soap, and it also includes this bar holder too. You will also receive this body oil, which is great for your face, skin, hands, cuticles, hair, anywhere on your body. How cool is that? Here's a close-up of what it looks like, and it comes with this spout. And check this out. So moisturizing. And you can put it all over your body and even on your cuticles too. And even your elbows as well. And it just feels and smells fabulous. So moisturizing. You will also receive this buttercream, which is great for daily use. And you can use it on your hair, your skin, your face, your body, even for your elbows and your knees too. This is what the front of the bottle looks like, and it's very pretty. And it also has an easy to pull off lid, and this is the spout. And look how thick this is. Thick and moisturizing. Check that out. And it feels so good, and you can put it on your cuticles as well as your elbows too, and all over your body. And it feels so soft and smooth. It also has a nice lavender fragrance, which I really love too. And you will also receive this intensive foot balm, which is super moisturizing. And they also give you this free pumice stone as well. And you will see a difference within the first use. It is so moisturizing and soothing to your skin. Look at what a pretty bottle this is. And all you have to do is remove the top and look at how moisturizing it is. Do you see how thick that is? Super moisturizing. Very nice. You really can feel the difference. And this is the free pumice stone that's also provided. Very nice quality. This is also made of 100% of oil. It doesn't include water or chemicals or additional additives either. This is also made with so many ingredients, from jojoba oil, sunflower oil, almond oil, as well as olive oil, lavender oil, castor oil, sunflower oil. It is just so super moisturizing. You will feel absolutely pampered after using these products. Thank you to Ancient Greek Remedy for sending this to me to review. I absolutely love it. And I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.